should have their coffers treasure filled, is not the burden of our side. But though that this world's best should fall to unbelievers from the hand, while we on promises are fed of pleasures in a shadowy land, where are those favors which thou once upon our grateful hearts didst pour? Why cherishest thou not, O Lord, the faithful as in days of yore? Why from the bounties of this life the faithful now no profit gain? Though still almighty thou remainest, did we forswear our faith to thee? To thy dear prophet cease to cling, of idol breaking did we tire, or take to idol worshipping? Or did we weary of thy love, or thy love's rapture ever shone? Or turned we from the path which trod Karan's ways and Salman? Thy takbir's unextinguished flame within our hearts we cherish yet. Ethiop Bilal's life, the star by which our own life's course we set. But even if a change hath been, and we in love are less adept, or out of resignation's path our erring wayward feet have stepped, if unlike trusted compasses our souls respond not now to you, and if to laws of faithfulness our roving hearts are now less true, must thou too play the fickle flirt with us, with others day by day? We cannot help the sinful thought which shame forbids our lips to say. Upon the peak of Mount Ferran thy glorious faith thou didst perfect, with one divinest gesture drew a host of fervid first elect. Thy flaming beauty filled the world and set a myriad hearts on fire, then blew the quintessence of love in man to passion's wild desire. Why within our deadened hearts that holy flame today leaps not? Though still those burnt out victims we, which once we were, hast thou forgot? Upon the dale of an age distilled the clanging of the captive's chains, to glimpse the camel-litter case no longer with his madness strains.